triggered.
That's what it needs. Another one. These kids should be in production, right? We made this cage. Good guy. Exactly. We can throw it exactly where it belongs, right, Pebble? Right in the garbage. Feel safe, right? They're in a cage. Around the cage. They don't have the corner. There's some sort of set up like this. Got it?